Here we have Monet's beautiful babies. They're about a week and a half old now. We have little Passion, our black and white female, and Princess, a tricolor female. They get nice and chunky, just like you'd expect. Puppies typically will double their weight the first week, which I'd say these girls easily did, because they were pretty small when they were born. They were being pretty talkative a minute ago. We'll see if we hear anything from them, or if this is all we're going to get today. What do you think, girls? Huh? Passion? Oh, we're going to have to trim nails already? Huh? Are we going to have to trim nails already? What do you think, babies? Oh, you face the camera so nice. That's so sweet. Yeah. They don't have eyes yet. Their eyes are still closed. This way, baby. This way, princess. This way. Yeah, there you go. They like to snuggle. All right, so there you have Monet's babies, a little over a week old.